Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these little stars. It's very easy. I'm going to show you with this thick yarn using, because I'm going to make a magic loop first. This is my magic loop, and I'm going to make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and first chain I'm not doing anything for first chain, and I'm going to the second chain. I am making slip stitch, and the third chain I am going to make half double crochet, and this is my first pointy. I'm going to the magic ring again and do a slip stitch. This is my first point. I need a 5-point star. I'm going to do 3 chain again and go to the second chain and make a slip stitch, and then half double crochet for this one, and after that I'm going to my magic ring and I make a slip stitch, and I'm going all the way around. I need 5 pointies. If you want 6 points, you go and do 6 points. Now I have 5 pointies. I'm going to my magic ring and do my slip stitch, and after that we have a little gap here, and I don't need to gap, and I'm going to the first chain of my first pointy, and I cut my yarn. I pull my thread again, and also I put it back my chain, my yarn. And middle bit I need to pull this thread and tighten my point, not point, my middle. This is my 5 pointy star, and we need to pull, and after that we can make a little secure with our needle. This is my 5 pointy star. If you have anything to ask or anything to mention, please let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.